Hello and welcome back to the RMA Car Care channel. Today we've got another car demonstrating cheap PPF. This is a 2021 BMW 4 Series Coupe. The film has been on there no longer than 2 years, and take a look at the condition on this film. So in the market at the moment, there's a lot of cheap PPF, emphasizing the cheap price that the companies are offering. Now, there's many reasons as to why it's cheap. One of them is like this, because it's not self-healing, and when it gets scratched, the scratches stay in the film, which is exactly the same as on your paintwork. In addition to not only self-healing scratching ability, with cheap film you get haziness after a short period of time, stain resistance levels are not there, and also the film becomes very textured and it appears very much like vinyl on the car, diminishing your appearance of your paintwork that is underneath that you are preserving, which should be a super glossy high level finish. Particularly in this area here, the top coat of the PPF has been scorched due to a product or a chemical that's been applied to it and left on for a long period of time. Again, the film is designed to protect the paint, but it's also supposed to be self-healing, so it will resist this kind of impact from rash, whether it's products, chemicals, anything. It's designed to resist it and fight against and protect your paint. This cheap film is not doing that. Like anything in life, if it's too cheap, it's usually cheap for a reason. And I always say, pay cheap, pay twice. And unfortunately, the market at the moment is flooded with cheap PPF that is designed to last 12 months, maximum 18 months, but claimed to last longer. Be careful on where you choose your PPF and which brand of PPF you choose. Okay, there we have it. The BMW 4 Series is now complete. We've removed the old aged PPF off it, and now the paintwork is popping, lots of gloss, lots of depth to the paint again. And now it's ready to have PPF applied to it if someone opts for it when they purchase this car.